Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off Smart Compose in Gmail on your PC. Smart Compose is a feature in Gmail that suggests words and phrases to help you compose emails faster. However, if you find this feature distracting or prefer to write your emails without any suggestions, this tutorial is for you. We'll guide you through the steps to disable Smart Compose in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. In the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Select See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Smart Compose section. Step 5. Next to Smart Compose, click on Writing Suggestions Off. This will disable Smart Compose in Gmail. That's it. You've successfully turned off Smart Compose in Gmail on your PC. Now you can compose your emails without any suggestions and have full control over your message. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tutorials and useful tech-related content.